Check, check, 1, 2. What's up, good people? How y'all doing today? All right, I just wanted to show you a little bit about how API calls work in case you do have Radiolize and you're trying to build your station or design your website around your station. Some of the things you can do instead of using their complete player is to kind of build one on your own. And that takes API calls, which calls in each part that you want individually, which is what I've done here. As far as the animation goes, that's something that I created on the web page. The button, which is a simple button, that's what I started with, which was right here. Yeah, okay. So basically, this is what I created in it. I don't want to play. I don't want to get on copyright strike. I've explained that already. I have full use of every song that's on my radio station, but I don't want to have to go through the trouble of explaining that to YouTube. So not even gonna fight with them. I won't play it. But you see that it works. So if you go into your dashboard and you go into embed, this is your actual player right here. So this actually should be another video, but I'm gonna give you a little bonus part. Or maybe I'll do a full video on this later. So here's your radio player. Just copy the code, paste it anywhere that accepts HTML, and you'll get this player. You want it dark? Just click on dark. It's that simple. If you want to add the history, that's the history. You can show your schedule. That's my schedule. So this is all my playlists, all the music I've scheduled for my auto DJ. You can set up request, and then you just copy it, paste it where you want. That's the way they have it set up for you, which is cool. I actually use that, and I'll show you that a little bit later. So I use the dark one. I use this one right here. Okay, so but if you go down here, right here is your stream player. So if you copy that link and paste it up in here, it'll play what's playing on your station. You can also download these M3U and PLS, and I think they open up into whatever default player is built into your PC, if that's what you're on. So you download this, it'll automatically open, and it'll also play your radio station. So just a couple things outside of what else we're going to talk about. But this right here is actually this right here. I just styled it differently. I just took everything out. I just wanted the button to play through that streaming link, which started out as this. Okay, so that was the goal, to get this far, because I wanted to just make a page where you could just come and sit and look at the page and listen to the music. But I didn't want there to be a plain page, because they already give you that. I wanted to be something that, while you're cleaning the house or doing whatever or having a party and you want to listen to some music, something visually that will look nice. So I came up with these. So it was just a simple, but again, we're talking about API call. So I got the artist name called in and the current song called in. And then this button right here is this button right here, just styled differently. So, and then I decided I wanted to do more. So I wanted some bubbles. So here are your bubbles. And again, same button. Volume slider. I may put that underneath. I'm not sure. I kind of like it right there. You tell me what you think. You like it right here, or should it be underneath it? Maybe the button should be longer. You tell me. Sorry for any noise in the background. There's a lot going on in the house today. Getting prepared for my surgery. So everybody's running around trying to make sure everything's set. So after my surgery, I can be very, very comfortable. Thank you very much. And then I also came up with this one, which is my favorite. Actually, the bubbles, I think, are my favorite. Tell me which one is your favorite. Which one's your favorite? You got the floating orbs here. You got the bubbles. You got the, I don't know what you would call this. I guess these would be orbs. These would be dots. We'll call those dots. I think that's what I called it anyway. Yeah, glow dots. And you got orbs. Got a little snow. Then I did some stars. And then I just went in and changed the colors. Something different. Okay, now back to the API calls, because that's what we're here for. As I showed you here, so history, okay, schedule, request, history. Okay, now this is my current radio station page right now, and there's that player that I was showing you. I just styled it to match the thing that had going on. But here's song requests. Okay, so there's the API call. Pick a song you want to hear again, click on it, and after a few songs, it'll play. Okay, song history, same thing. Okay, these are all called in by taking these codes when you click on them and then pasting them in the HTML part of the HTML page where you want it. And that's pretty much how I did that. Now, if you go here, and I'll put the link in the description down here, this is part of the Radiolize page. So if you get in here, search around, but here's where you can find all the API calls that you can use to create the same thing. So now playing, song requests, pretty much everything. History, who's listening, show your schedule. Playlists. The list goes on. Got some webhooks here. So this is all the stuff that you can do. Which is a lot of that stuff's here. And here. Which started with this. I love this one. And I think that's it. That's all I want to show you for today, but I wanted you to actually see that these are being called in. I'll refresh it. Okay, and they're being called right back in through these API calls. And the stream player, that single button, is being called in, not through you, down here with this. So go in, play around, have a good time, have fun. I'm having a great time. That's me listening right there. So, and I'm really just starting to build a station. I've had it for over a year, but I really just wanted it. I wasn't ready to launch it, but now I think I'm gearing up. I got pretty much all the songs together. I got my playlist made. So come through, check it out, listen for a while, come back, leave a comment, tell me what you think. We're R&B, jazz, neo soul, hip hop. I've gotten submissions from people all over the world, throughout the years. I used to produce music for a long time, work with a lot of artists, and just wanted a place for independent artists to, have their music heard. So I created Wild One Radio, and we were independent and we couldn't get our stuff out there anywhere. I'm from back, the SoundClick days and all that stuff. And so I created this not only for our own music, but that was a big part of it, but I also decided to open it up if anybody wanted to share their music with us and have us play it. And Wilder One Radio was born, and that's a whole nother video, whole nother story. But that's it. I'm gonna leave it at that. Come in here, play around with these, look around, learn everything. Here, I'll show you this right quick. Something you'll use a lot. This right here, duplicate songs. Click on that, it'll show you every duplicate song that you have. So if you inadvertently put something in here twice, load something twice, maybe you got it in 2 different folders, didn't know, it'll show you here, it'll show you where they are, and then you can delete the one you don't want. That's very, very handy. So there's another pro tip number 2 for you right there. So go on to report and click on duplicate songs, and it will show you every song that you have in there twice that has the same name. So if it has a different name, it's not going to show up, but that is very, very helpful. All right, I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll leave you with, let's leave you with nighttime. Nighty night. Refresh it. Oh, I also got it set to refresh on its own too, so it'll keep up with the tracks changing, and then this will update as the music streams. That's it. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate your support. Like I said, I'm not the greatest video maker, but I make them so you can find out some information that you may not otherwise. And I hope it helps. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and I appreciate you. Peace.